Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and when I want to pack a lunch for just myself, I don't want to have a really bulky and large lunch bag to deal with. That's one reason that I got this cute small one from MIAOJIE. It is the perfect size for me to be able to pack in several different containers and a drink. And I love that it has a front pocket so that I can put in like condiments or silverware or even my vitamins and have them separate from the main pack, and there's still room for everything to fit in. This has a nice insulated inside, and so when you use it with a freezer pack, things stay very cool and keep well. This is made well. As a seamstress, I always look to make sure like the straps are sewed on tightly and that all the seams are well done, and this looks amazing. MIAOJIE has other colors and designs to choose from, so you can find the one that is perfect for your personality. I love the plain and simple design of this lunch bag. It meets all of my needs, and that's my point of view.